Yeah,
Okay, so can you explain me about this code?
yeah, sure. So this code will basically open up the browser. I have basically used arguments throughout this whole automation.
Okay,
This open browser will get URL as an argument.
but why are you using it as an argument? Is it a different workflow? Okay, fine.
Yeah, it's a different workflow
Okay,
like over here.
okay,
So it will use an argument URL as an argument and it will maximize the window.
okay.
And next is the COVID-19 tracker details.
Mm-hmm.
So what will it do? I am opening up the website for your understanding. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. So basically the get full text activity over. So I have used the attached browser over here
Okay,
and then refresh so that each time it will refresh the browser and new data will pop up.
okay.
And I have used this get full text activity
Mm-hmm.
to scrape all these data. This confirmed, active, recovered, and deceased.
Okay,
Okay. And yeah, and I have stored each of this value inside a proper variable, like for this one confirmed, active, like that.
okay,
Sorry, these are arguments because
okay,
this will, and direction is out. These are string type arguments.
okay.
After this, yeah, after this I used extract. Yeah, I've used a data scraping tool, data scraping tool for extracting these all data.
Okay,
These are structured data. That's why I've used the data scraping tool.
okay,
And yeah, so this will basically store it in a data table COVID-19 COVID DT
okay.
and the argument. It's a type of data table. It's also in out direction.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, I'm creating it in an Excel file.
Okay.
This
Can you
is
show me the
actually
result?
yeah, sure. So the result will be in a different. Right. This is the result.
Okay. So if you see here, we are getting all the values, right?
Yes.
Updated 3 minutes ago, district confirmed, Mumbai, Pune. And if you come down along with Maharashtra at the bottom, you will also see. Can you please come down? Okay, see here, there are details about South Delhi, again, Tamil Nadu district. In the Tamil Nadu district, we have all
Yes.
the values.
Yeah.
Now, let's say that we extracted all this data.
Okay.
Now, I want to fetch only the values that are with states,
Data.
that are with state names,
Okay. Which state names?
any
Means
state name.
means only for Tamil Nadu, only for Delhi.
Exactly.
Okay.
So, how can we do that? You can use the same workflow.
Okay.
All I need you to do is filter some data and give me the output. That's it.
Okay. Mm.
So, can you go back into the sheet, Excel sheet?
Yeah.
So, if you see here in C, D, and E, only for the states we will have data.
Yes.
Can you filter columns that are having data or which is not nothing? Can it give you a result?
Filter.
Filter columns C,
Okay.
D, and E
Okay.
which are not empty. Will that give us only the state names and the values?
Yeah, I think so.
Can you try that?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Why are you using filter table? Again, you need to go into sheet, first read the table and use the table again. Before writing into the sheet, use filter
Mm-hmm.
data table.
Means over here before right range.
Yeah, before write range, use filter data table instead of filter table. So what is the difference between filter table and filter data table?
Filter data table will filter the data table,
Okay,
and
what filter table will
filter
do?
table will filter the table in the Excel sheet.
I don't want to filter table in the Excel sheet. I want when you read, you will get all the data in data table. Now filter
Okay.
the table in the data table and write in the Excel sheet.
Okay.
Can't you use the same data table name? Will it not work?
Yes, it will work.
Okay, then try.
Yeah.
Use keep.
Mm, mm.
Mhm. What is the column name for this?
Yeah, that's why I'm looking
I think it should be active.
at active recover PC. Active.
Check with active. That is not nothing. So what are you filtering? You're filtering all the values that are empty.
Yes,
So it will give you the values that are empty, not the values
yes,
that are not empty.
it's not empty.
Okay.
Active recover. Yeah.
I think if you are not having the columns, then it will be column 0, column 1, and column 2. That's how the naming convention